If you're over 60 and your knees ache when you climb stairs, your joints crack when you stand up, or your morning walk feels slower than it used to, there's one simple addition to your coffee that might help you walk like you're 40 again. It's not a painkiller, not a supplement capsule, and definitely not a gimmick. It's a natural powder that's been studied by scientists for decades, and when added to your daily coffee, it helps your body rebuild joint strength, improve flexibility, and boost muscle recovery faster than you thought possible. Stay with me until the end of this video, because you'll learn what this powder is, how it works inside your body, and how a single scoop a day could help you regain the spring in your step no matter your age. THE Secret TO Moving Young Again. After age 60, many people start feeling that stiffness in their knees, hips, and back. Movements that once felt natural, bending, walking, getting out of bed, now take effort. You might even think this is just normal aging. But scientists say that what we call aging is often the result of nutrient decline, especially nutrients that rebuild collagen, cartilage, and muscle tissue. As we age, our body produces less collagen, a protein that makes up 70% of our skin, joints, and connective tissues. By the time you turn 60, collagen production has dropped by nearly 50%, leading to weaker joints, thinner cartilage, and slower recovery. That's why many people in their 60s and 70s experience knee pain, joint stiffness, and lower mobility, not because they're old, but because their body lacks the raw material it once had plenty of. Now, here's the good news: doctors and nutrition researchers have discovered a way to restore this loss naturally. And surprisingly, the easiest way to do it doesn't involve pills, injections, or surgery. It involves your morning cup of coffee and one miracle powder that can bring youthful flexibility back to your joints. THE Coffee Edition that rebuilds joints and muscle. So, what is this powder that's helping older adults move like they're decades younger? It's called collagen peptide powder, also known as hydrolyzed collagen or simply collagen powder. This isn't some new health trend. Collagen peptides have been studied in over 50 clinical trials with thousands of participants, showing remarkable results for joint strength, muscle recovery, and even skin elasticity. But before we dive into the benefits, let's understand what collagen really does inside your body and why mixing it into coffee might be the most effective way to absorb it. What collagen does inside your body. Collagen is the body's most abundant protein. It's found in your joints and cartilage, where it cushions bones and prevents friction, tendons and ligaments, where it provides flexibility and strength, muscles helping maintain tone and repair microtears, skin giving elasticity and firmness. When collagen breaks down with age, your joints become less lubricated, leading to pain, cracking sounds, and stiffness. Dr. Daniel Sister, a regenerative medicine expert, explains, loss of collagen is the silent cause behind most visible signs of aging, from wrinkles to weak knees. Now here's where collagen powder changes everything. It provides your body with bioavailable peptides, small amino acid chains that your body can absorb quickly and use to rebuild collagen fibers naturally. Why adding ITTO coffee works so well. You might wonder why coffee. Collagen peptides dissolve perfectly in hot liquids like coffee, and caffeine can actually improve circulation, helping transport these amino acids to muscles and joints more efficiently. Moreover, collagen doesn't change the taste of coffee, so you can mix one scoop into your daily brew without even noticing it's there. What you will notice, however, are the effects after consistent use. According to a 2019 study published in the journal Nutrients, participants over 60 who took collagen peptides daily for 12 weeks experienced a significant reduction in joint pain and an increase in walking speed and leg strength. Another 2020 clinical trial in the Journal of Aging Research and Clinical Practice found that collagen supplementation improved joint flexibility by 32% and reduced discomfort during movement. These results didn't require gym workouts, just one scoop of collagen powder a day. Benefits of adding collagen to your coffee daily. Let's break down the benefits you can expect when you consistently add collagen peptides to your coffee every morning. 1. Restores joint lubrication. Collagen strengthens the soft cartilage between bones, reducing stiffness and grinding sensations. Think of it as greasing the hinges of your joints. Over time, smoother motion leads to less inflammation and better mobility. Researchers from the University of Kiel in Germany found that collagen peptides stimulate cartilage cells to produce more collagen and elastin, reversing years of wear and tear. 2. Improves muscle strength and recovery. After 60, muscle loss, called sarcopenia, becomes one of the biggest reasons for weakness. Collagen peptides help by increasing the amino acid glycine, which supports muscle protein synthesis. In a randomized study from the British Journal of Nutrition, Men over 65 who consumed collagen daily while walking saw a 50% greater increase in muscle mass compared to those who only exercised. So even if you don't go to the gym, just walking combined with collagen intake helps rebuild lost muscle fibers naturally. 3. Boosts bone density. Collagen isn't just for joints, it also strengthens bones. Nearly 1/3 of your bone tissue is made up of collagen. A study published in Nutrients 2021 revealed that postmenopausal women taking collagen peptides for 1 year saw increased bone mineral density, reducing the risk of fractures. That means better balance, stronger bones, and a lower chance of falls. 4. Supports skin elasticity and hydration. This is a bonus benefit most people notice first. Collagen helps your skin look firmer, smoother, and more hydrated. According to Harvard Health, people who take collagen regularly often report looking brighter and younger because the skin regains its elasticity. So not only will you move like you're 40, you might look a little like it too. 5. Enhances energy and metabolism. Collagen contains amino acids like proline and hydroxyproline, which improve mitochondrial function, your body's natural energy generator. As a result, you feel more energetic throughout the day, and your metabolism gets a boost, making you more active and less fatigued. HOWTOEBD Collagen TO, your coffee teach E right way. Adding collagen to coffee is easy, but doing it correctly ensures maximum benefits. 1. Choose hydrolyzed collagen peptides. These are pre-broken down for faster absorption. 2. Use 1 to 2 scoops daily, 10 to 20 grams. Start with 1 scoop in the morning coffee. 3. Mix in hot coffee, not boiling heat, helps dissolve the powder without destroying nutrients. 4. Combine with vitamin C rich foods. Vitamin C supports collagen synthesis. So pair it with an orange, kiwi, or berries at breakfast. And don't worry, collagen is virtually tasteless and odorless. Within seconds, it mixes smoothly into coffee without affecting flavor. Real results. What TO expect over time? You won't notice a miracle overnight, but collagen works cumulatively. After 2 weeks, most people report less morning stiffness and smoother joint movement. After 4 weeks, noticeable improvement in walking speed, mobility, and energy. After 8 to 12 weeks, joints feel stronger, skin appears more elastic, and daily activities become easier. Many users describe it as getting their body back, walking longer distances, climbing stairs effortlessly, and even sleeping better because of reduced pain. Supporting nutrients that maximize results. While collagen is powerful, combining it with a few key nutrients enhances its effects. 1. Vitamin C, essential for collagen production. Without it, your body can't convert collagen peptides into new connective tissue. Add citrus fruits or a small vitamin C supplement to your routine. 2. Magnesium and zinc. Both support bone strength and joint flexibility. Found in leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s from fish oil reduce joint inflammation, complementing collagen's rebuilding effects. 4. Curcumin turmeric extract. Curcumin works as a natural anti-inflammatory. When taken with collagen, it enhances joint comfort and recovery. These nutrients act synergistically, meaning together, they create stronger, longer-lasting results. Frequently asked questions. Question 1. Can I take collagen if I have diabetes or heart issues? Yes, most medical experts consider hydrolyzed collagen safe for most adults. It contains amino acids, but no sugars or fats. However, always check with your doctor before starting any new supplement. Question 2. Does it have caffeine or calories? Collagen is caffeine-free and low in calories, about 35 to 40 per scoop, making it perfect for your morning coffee. Question 3. Can I use it in tea or smoothies instead of coffee? Absolutely. Coffee just happens to be the most convenient option because you're already drinking it daily. But collagen works just as well in warm tea or even oatmeal. Question 4. Is all collagen the same? No. Always choose grass-fed bovine collagen peptides or marine collagen, as they contain the best amino acid profile for joint and skin health. THE science behind THE rejuvenation effect. Collagen works by activating fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing new connective tissue. Over time, these fibroblasts slow down, but collagen peptides wake them up, signaling your body to start rebuilding from within. This cellular level repair explains why older adults experience visible and physical rejuvenation, stronger knees, more flexible hips, and smoother skin. A 2022 review in Frontiers in Nutrition concluded that consistent collagen use in older adults led to measurable improvements in joint comfort, elasticity, and overall quality of life. Teach your final word. Yes, just a number. The truth is, you don't need to accept stiffness, weakness, or pain as part of getting older. Your body still holds the blueprint for vitality, it just needs the right building blocks to activate it again. And that's what collagen provides. With 1 scoop a day, mixed into your favorite morning coffee, you're giving your body the exact protein it needs to walk, move, and feel decades younger. It's not about turning back time. It's about rebuilding your strength from within. Walk stronger, live younger. If you've been waking up sore, avoiding stairs, or cutting your walk short, it doesn't have to stay that way. Science now proves that with consistent collagen intake, your joints can regain flexibility, your muscles can rebuild strength, and your confidence in movement can return. So tomorrow morning, as you pour the cup of coffee, add 1 scoop of collagen powder and start walking toward a stronger, younger you. Because at any age, motion is life, and it begins with one simple habit. If you found this video informative, give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health tips to help you move better, feel younger, and live stronger. And share this video with someone who deserves to start walking like they're 40 again.